Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself, light-up White Castle remote-controlled truck. Turn this other light on real quick. This is pretty cool, guys. It only goes forward and backwards. This is pretty cool. For this, guys, basically what I did, this right here came off a broken remote control car where it had too much power and it pulled in the air. So what I did is I built my own body out of styrofoam. I covered it with White Castle boxes that I cut out. You can see I cut out can lids. I hot glue gunned a White Castle logo right there. This is a door. You can see the little door handle. Sunglass lens as a window. You can look in the front. This actually came off a jewelry box. It's the windshield. You got a Ford logo right here. I added a yellow light at the top. It has a switch. It runs on a 9-volt battery. Off. On. These two lights I got at the Dollar Tree. They run on AAA batteries. I had I had my own little neons right there. This is a lot to explain. Right here, these are silver pipe cleaners. Add a little chrome to it. In the back, you can see I added a license plate. More sunglass lenses. Red bike lights. Basically function as brake lights. And that's basically it. Added American flag. And this is the do-it-yourself, light up, remote control White Castle truck. These wheels right here came off a old toy. I hot glue gunned them to the bottom. Like I said, I had to make my own body. This thing's so cool. It keeps turning the lights off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.